Welcome to this short introduction video for our new BlueTouch system. Go to hamburger button and press. Go to machine setting and press. All drive related settings can be found here. The oil temperature, the oil pressure and oil filter detection, and the brake angles. The machine resynchronization can be done here. The pick finder offset procedure can be done here. The run-in settings. The page for the drive test. The VPF procedure. Under the next page you will find the drive analysis. And under the last page you get the brake test information. The settings for the cleaning devices on the machine. The aspirator. The setting of the signal lights. Testing of the signal lights. The control buttons. The emergency stop procedure. And to put the machine in standby. Pattern information. The mechanical settings of the machine. These pages need to be filled in manually. The anti-starting marks. The brake angles. And the settings for thru. PSO settings when foreseen. PKE settings when foreseen. Slow weaving settings. and the settings for the picoscope. Questions or remarks? Please contact us.